What's good, internet? It's your boy Money. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could have made $333 profit in 30 minutes. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Also, if you're not trading on Bybit yet, make sure you go down in the link in the description, and there's bonuses and all that kind of good stuff. Let's get straight into the video. So, in order for you to do this, it's pretty simple actually. I had this daily open at 5.9 or 56,926. There was a previous touch, the only touch of this daily open right here. It got SFP'd, which means swing failure. It's a swing failure pattern. So we would just put our line right here, put a horizontal line. Once it goes above that line, we enter the trade. We could even wait for the daily, which is where I got $333 from. And you can only do this on Bybit, by the way, because you have to be using 100 leverage. So if you're not on Bybit yet, make sure you get on Bybit right now. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now. But yeah, all you had to do was, let's go to the 15-minute chart so you can see. And even if you were more of a patient trader or a less risky trader, you could have, or if you're a candlestick trader, could have waited for this pin bar. I don't know what this is called. I forgot the candlestick, but yeah, wait for this candle to close. This is a bullish sign on top of this daily open after the swing failure pattern. Then you could have got in, rode it all the way up to the highs. And since I'm a chart champion, we start to short at the highs. We look for shorts at the highs, or we start to close our longs. Well, we do both, close our longs and look for shorts at the highs. So yeah, you close your longs up here, just like that. With the $100, you make $333 profit. Easy. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and you're gone. Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure y'all go get on Bybit right now through the link in my description. It'll give you bonuses. It'll help me with trading fees. And you guys have a great day. See you later. Peace.